Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting. And let's talk today about Test Gen on Pearson. So you wanna use Test Gen for your exams or assignments and so on. So how do you do that? So first of all, you need to download the Test Gen to your desktop. So just go on Google Test Gen Pearson. It will show you this page. Downloads, Test Gen application, and then PC or Mac. Just come here and it will save it, install it, just go next, and it will be done. But where are the test banks? The test banks are not on my Pearson lab. That it is on the catalog. So go to Pearson catalog, find your textbook, for instance, this one. But if it is very new, sometimes Pearson takes some time to add the question bank on their website. So just wait a little bit. I took in quite an old one, but not that old, that I am sure that they have it. So go on instructor resources, test, so it usually shows you here, test item files. We don't want the test bank here, PDF or Word. Don't go on that. It will download everything to your desktop and you will need to add it manually, go manually, very, very bad. Instructor solution and test gen. That is where you need to go. If you are using the test gen, then go on BOK. But you can download the entire database to your LMS. For instance, Canvas, D2L, Moodle, Sakai, or Blackboard. We will go through Test Gen. So you download it and make sure that the pop-up is allowed. Okay? So Test Gen be okay. So let's come here and then it will show. So let's save on this Test Gen Pearson zip file. So okay, let's replace it. And then showing folder. And then make sure you create a second folder for that because you need to extract the files. So for instance, mine are here, so I will delete it. Okay, Test Gen Pearson zip, copy your files, and then Test Gen Pearson, paste them. So okay, that's it. Now go on Test Gen. Where are you, Test Gen? Okay, here it asks you if you want Test Gen to scan your desktop or laptop to find the database. I don't do that because it takes a while, very some minutes. So I know where it's saved. It is here, so I will even go here and download it. Oh, okay, let's go Test Gen again. So no, we don't want it. So if you already have a database, it will be here. If you don't, file, add test bank. I copy and paste the location, so it will be here, and then it is the first file. Open, it will be here. First, what you need to do first is to tell TestGen if it will be a paper test or web test. You can change it later, okay? But let's go on paper test. This is. So, okay, let's select the question. So let's open it, for instance, chapter 6. And then if you go and choose multiple, it added randomly. So you can do it, for instance, chapter 6, chapter 7, chapter 3, and then here number of questions to add. So It will, so let's go on 5 questions here. So, okay, 5 questions, and I want to add some manually. So here, chapter 8, I want to add these questions manually. So I go on the first one, and then control select the other ones, and then add selected items. Okay, so now we have a lot of questions here. And then I can change the where they will go. So I come here, for instance, this question, and I move it here and so on. So we can do it if we want. Very good tool is here, the tools, preference, test options. And then here we can format everything that we want. So answer instead of this one, let's go on this. Default styles, number, so here, numbering, and okay, so it will show us a different name, and it shows us the right answer for multiple choices question and so on. You can print it from here. So just file, print, and you can print from here. So number of forms, 1, and then if it is more than 1, so I want to add 10 forms. So here, question order, question, or I can scramble and so on. So you can do it, or you can export it. So export, plain text file, very good for Word files. And then format text, also for Word files. And PDF, for instance, PDF. And I will go, remember that I have it, but okay. Here and one up, and here Pearson tests. Save it. It will save as a PDF file. So here Pearson tests. It will save on a PDF file. Or I can export it to the database, Blackboard, Moodle, Sakai, D2L, and so on. So I can export it in D2L here. So Blackboard, uh, TTY, I think it's Canvas, Moodle, Sakai, and D2L. So I can go here and also export it to my Moodle if I want. Or I can also come, yes, change test type for web, and then here for Moodle. So I can also do it, and then content that's not appropriate, that is not all questions that they export to Moodle. So if you are thinking about Moodle, think on exporting the show me issues with here some this one is not good for Moodle. So without saving, yes, and so on. So if you want to export it through to Moodle, just come here and export it to Moodle, or just delete the questions that are not available for Moodle. But you can do it, and so file. I usually go on export. It is easier. So export, Moodle, okay. And then here, exam Pearson for Moodle. And then it will, but it will show me the error. So you cannot avoid it. So question 16 and 18. So question 16, this one will not show. It say it not. So just so you can take them out. 16 and the 18 here. So the 18 here, delete the question 18, and remember the 16 download, now it's all black, delete, yes, and then here, now you can export it to Moodle, or you can change the test type to Moodle. So now here, Moodle Test Gen Pearson. And here it is on Moodle. I don't know if I save it on the right place. Moodle Test Gen Pearson. So it is, or XM Pearson for Moodle. That is the first file, and so on. So I can delete this first one, and then you can import it to your Moodle. Okay, so this is an issue. If you export it from here, it will only export the question that Moodle can read, or any other LMS. Okay, guys, that's it. Not very straightforward, but very good if you are a Pearson fan, or if you are working with a Pearson textbook. If you have questions or comments, just leave them here. Thank you for watching this video. Have a very nice day, and God bless you.